first question natin is, what minimum force is required to punch a 20 mm diameter hole in a plate that is 25 mm thick? The shear strength of the plate is 340 meganewton per m squared, and then meron tayong factor of safety na 1.5. Now, itong question na to, ito yung inuna ko kasi ito yung pinaka-tricky na type of problem. Maraming students na nagkakamali sa mga problems na to. Now, the reason is, meron kasing factor of safety na binigay, 1.5. So usually, as a student, baka isipin mo na kailangan niyang gamitin. But merong times na yung mga nasa given, hindi talaga hindi gagamitin. Bale, nilagay lang sila to parang trick you. Kasi dapat alam mo kasi yung concept. So, yung tinatanong dito is, ano yung force required to punch a 20 mm diameter hole? So, ibig sabihin pala, yung factor of safety na 1.5, hindi natin yan gagamitin. Diba? Kasi gagamitin lang natin yung factor of safety if we are designing. Let's say, magko-compute tayo ng safe load. So, gagamitin natin yung factor of safety or the allowable stress. But para dito, yung tanong kasi is, minimum force required to punch. Kailangan nating butasan yung plate. So therefore, we have to apply the loads sa ultimate condition. So kapag ultimate condition, gagamitin natin yung shear strength. Ayan. Hindi yung allowable. Na ipapakita ko na sa choices na yan, kapag gagamitin mo yung allowable, lalabas din yung force. Sige, so equate lang natin. Diba, shear stress equals force divided by the area. Now, gagawin ko na lang yung shear force. Ayan. So, applied yan sa gitna. Meron tayong P. And then, the shear strength is 340 meganewton per m squared. Diba, equal lang yan to MPa. And then, recall sa discussion natin sa axial stress, MPa is just equal to Newton per mm squared. Ayan. So, 340 MPa, ito yung working stress. Or yung working stress, tinatawag din yan na ultimate stress. Ayan. And then, the diameter of the hole is 20 mm. Bali, ito yan. Yung diameter ng hole na pinunch natin. 20 mm. And then, thickness, 25 mm. Sa plate yan. So, it's this dimension. Or ito na lang. 25 mm. But we are analyzing this area. So, 25 mm yan. And then, diameter is 20 mm. And then, we want this area. Again, sa punching shear, parang yung sides ng coin. Yung shear area natin. Parallel kasi yan sa force. So, equate natin yan. 340 MPa is equal to shear force. And then, our area is pi d. Ano yung pi d? Yung pi d, yan yung circumference ng circle. Circumference ng circle, multiply natin by the thickness para makuha yung area na yan. So, pi d times thickness of the plate pala yan. So, copy ko na lang. And then, the diameter is 20 mm times 20. And then, the thickness of the plate is 25. Ayan. So, solving V, we would have 340 times pi times 20 times 25. Naka-Newton per mm squared yan. Ito, naka-mm. This one, naka-mm din. So, mm times mm squared. Then, Newton per mm squared times mm squared, magiging Newton na lang. So, yan na yung unit ng force. So, press equals, we have 170,000 pi, or this is approximately 534. 534,070 newtons. Converting this to kN, divide mo na lang by 1,000. Ayan. We would have 534.07 kilonewtons. So, ito yung sagot natin. but the force required to punch must be greater than or equal to this value. So, ito na lang pala yung sign. Greater than or equal to. Kasi para mabutas yung plate, kailangan yung i-apply natin na load must be equal to this one or greater than this value. It shouldn't be lesser. So, kapag meron kang 534 kN, yung pipiliin mo na load is 535 kilonewtons. It must be greater. Now, kapag ginamit mo yung allowable, di ba, the allowable stress is equal to the ultimate stress divided by the factor of safety. Ayan. So, kapag ginamit mo yung factor of safety, then ibig sabihin pala, dinivide mo yan by 1.5, iba na yung V na lalabas. So, we would have 340 divided by 1.5 and then multiplied by the area para makuha natin yung V. So, pi times 20 times 25. Ayan. So, makukuha mo dyan is 356. Divide this by 1,000 para maging kN. This would be 356.05 kilonewtons. So, itong value na na-obtain natin, this is for questions like, let's say yung tanong is, what force should be applied para hindi mabutas yung plate? Yan yung nature ng tanong para gamitin mo yung allowable. Pero yung nature ng tanong kasi natin ngayon is, ano yung force na required to punch. So, kapag ito pala, let's say yung nature ng tanong is, again, ano yung force na i-apply para hindi siya mabutas? The shear force must be lesser than or equal to this value. So, you would have to pick 350 kilonewtons. But again, hindi yan yung required sa tanong, so erase na lang natin. Ayan. Again, gamitin mo lang yung allowable kapag nagde-design ka.